on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the H2. It's been a sec since I rode this beast. It's gonna be a really exciting day today. Maybe not for you guys. All you guys are gonna see is a little H2 chill ride, but for me, I'm actually gonna be filming my new intro today. There is like a really talented videographer that my friend shot with on Instagram, and I really like his stuff, so I'm gonna be filming a professional video as my YouTube intro for you guys. We're gonna be shooting today and tomorrow with both bikes. Today's shoot is gonna be on the H2, as you guys can see, and tomorrow we're gonna be shooting on the R1M. I was gonna do the R1M today, but I don't know why last minute I decided to take the H2 today. So yeah, that's really exciting. Some of you guys like my intro, but most think it's a little tacky and little kind of like old school. So we're gonna get something professional for you guys. It's gonna, hopefully everything is gonna go smoothly. After we're done shooting, it should take like about 7 days, I believe he said, for me to get the intro. It's an interesting spoiler on that Tesla. But yeah, busy day, busy day. I wish I had my V4 so I could do like footage with all 3 bikes. That would be really cool, but sadly don't have that. Do you guys notice whenever you're late, lights always take like triple the amount of time? I'm also gonna find him. Cops. Hopefully we didn't get too many interactions with the cops. There's another cop right there. The H2 is probably like, what the hell are you doing, man? Lot 4, okay. Not a good idea to keep. Oh, bunny. Wow, that was like crazy timing. I got something in my eye and a bunny ran right across. Oh, I see him.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Took a second, huh?
Yeah, dude. I was on the other side. I was like, where the hell am I going? I went all the way. I didn't know it goes like back. Thank you, man. They're actually like riding shoes. Yeah. Whew. That's crazy.
How long have you had this bike?
I got it March 2020.
Okay.
Like right before COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been a while.
How many miles have you been on it?
When I got it, it had like about a little over 2,000 miles, and now I think I have like 7,500. So I put like 5,000 miles on it. This is wild.
Dang, bro.
You guys get 2 startups in this video. Oh. No. I think I left the battery on for too long. Come on, baby. Nope. Alright, boys. This got a lot more exciting. Let's see if we can somehow run and jump this bike. There we go. There's no way I'm gonna get enough speed on this. It's a heavy bike. Oh god. I can't believe that worked. Whew. I'm hooking the bike up on a tender on the way back, even though I'm pretty sure it's gonna charge right now. Yo, I got tired from that. Let me take a breath. Pretty exciting day. Oh, as you guys know, pretty sure you guys remember my crash on the V4. My hip is still broken, so that was a little painful. This is a heavy bike. I'm glad it's a little low, at least, because I could get more like of my feet on the floor and push faster. Yeah, we got a lot of shots like while the bike was stopped, so I'm pretty sure that's what killed the battery, because I left the ignition on for a little bit. She started though. Pretty eventful day. Just wrapped up shooting the first part of the intro, which is with the H2. Second part is going to be with the R1M coming up soon too, and then the intro is going to have both bikes, which should look really sick. That guy's really talented, and I'll show you guys his, I mean, you guys will see his stuff, and I'll plug him too in case anyone wants to book him for shoots. Sorry if I'm talking all weird, I'm a little still out of breath. Damn, I need to work on my cardio. I mean, it's a heavy bike, guys. This bike is like 500 pounds. Really excited for the footage. It's gonna look insane. How powerful the H2 is. I just gave it a little bit of gas to get over that car in 6th gear, and it still pulled harder than I expected. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, support. Very eventful day. Bike almost ran out of gas. Then the battery died on me, which we jump started successfully from the first try. Solo jump started it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Can't wait for you guys to see my new intro. It's gonna be amazing, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace out, ride safe.